Hey y'all, it is time to harvest the potatoes. If you watched our video, the easiest way to plant potatoes, you know how we did it, but let's review so you guys can remember. We plant potatoes using the Ruth Stout method, which is just lay the potatoes on the ground and pile on the hay, and really not do anything after that except maybe pile more hay on top. Let me show you what the bed looked like back in April. And here's what it looks like now. As you can see, all the foliage has died, and we'll get to dig underneath this hay and see what's underneath. What potatoes were these?
So here we had the purple potatoes as well as the Adirondack blue, just piled up with leaves. And the fun part is just kind of uncovering and seeing what we can find.
And we've already had a few meals out of these blue ones and the red ones.
You have a pretty good idea where they're going to be as you get back to where the
There's some.
The plants were. And they're pretty clean, not real dirty.
Right, so here's our section with the blue. We didn't have a whole lot of plants in this little section, but considering we literally did nothing besides put them on the ground and put hay on top, it's a pretty good return here. And I gotta show you how nice it looks underneath all this hay. Lots of organic materials.
Alright, so here's our second patch here. Red potatoes is what we have here. I think Northland red, possibly, but we'll see how these guys are.
It's like a gardener at Christmas time, just anxiously awaiting what's going to be underneath all the hay. Oh, not red potatoes.
I don't think they're red potatoes.
Oh man, I was wrong on that, sorry. So these are the
Kennebecks? Yeah.
The Kennebec.
We placed them in maturity time. How long it would take to harvest.
But here we are just harvesting them all at the same time. Cool, look at that.
It's like they're just laying there and not attached to anything.
A couple
Look how
of these.
clean that is.
Yeah, but most of them look really good. Look at that, wow. Important thing when harvesting potatoes is to make sure it's been pretty dry, and the last few days it's been very warm, very dry. You don't want to try to go through this when you've gotten a lot of rain. I actually think we could have probably left these a little longer, don't you?
Yeah, I don't think there's any rush to get them out. But again, the weather works and it works with our schedule, so
Yeah.
that's what you do.
There's a lot of pretty small tubers still. Some good sized ones though. Whoa, Sai. Sai, pick that one back up. Is it two attached to each other? Oh my goodness, look at that. Looks like a number 3. Whoa, Levi. This is a fun activity for the kids to get involved in.
That's a good one.
Whoa, Sai.
Oh, look what I got.
Yeah. Not too dirty, are they?
Another one?
They're bouncy. Yeah, but that one.
Whoa, there's another big one. Let me see what you got, Levi.
This one's a bad one, I can tell.
Okay, look how big that one is.
Yeah, it's big.
Whoa, crazy looking. Thanks, Si.
Here, put that back here. Put it in the ground.
What?
It's rotten. There's one. These tubers are definitely grown. I see the bottom of the plant. Can I take a picture of that?
Wow.
Whoa!
Some green ones that were.
What'd you find, Si?
There's lots of potatoes. Ooh. Look at this big one.
Yeah, that's cool.
I'm gonna start over here.
Okay, Daddy.
So this next section is our red potatoes, and let's see what we have. Boys, want to help me?
Yeah. Yeah.
There we go. We need another another bucket.
Yeah, I guess just put them on top of the Kennebec ones. Cool, Si.
Don't move too fast. Look, you'll miss them.
I got one. Look at the big potato, Mama.
What does it look like?
Snowman.
A snowman. I
Look
love
at
it.
my snowman.
You've got a baby snowman.
Uh-huh.
Did y'all find them all, you think?
Baby.
Looks like it.
I'm still looking for beep, beep, beep.
Thanks for your help. Not too bad, considering, huh? It was pretty easy. No hilling, no weeding, just added hay. What'd you find, Si?
A worm.
Where was that, in the hay?
Uh-huh.
Go put him back.
Okay. Can you adjust this?
So after a very careful weighing, which we used our 52-pound son to do that, how many pounds do you think there is, babe?
My guess is probably 70, 75 pounds.
70, 75 pounds of potatoes. Just right here, guys. It's very easy, not complicated. We hope you'll give it a try next year.
Slug.
You found a big slug.
Look how big the slug
found
is.
a real
slug. This
All right,
slug
go feed
is
that one to the ducks, okay?
big, and it has big paws. This slug has big paws.
All right, so after harvesting all these potatoes, all we're simply going to do is put the hay back, kind of like a blanket, and let it sit there. And then next year, it'll be ready for us. We might, in the off season, throw a little compost down or something. We're not going to put a lot of effort and energy into it, but we're just going to lay it back out and then use the same spot next year.
So we're not quite done yet. We have to cure the potatoes so we can store them for winter. We will put them in a box, flat, not stacked on top of each other like they are now, and put them in an area where it's like 85 to 95% humidity for the first 2 weeks. And right now in the summer, that's not too difficult to have. We're going to store them underneath the house for a couple weeks until they are ready to move into the garage. And then they should last into the winter. We were still eating them late January last year, so we're hoping we can get almost all the way till spring of next year, 2020. Feels weird to say that. So thanks for joining us. I hope you enjoyed that. It's fun to see all the hard work and effort pay off, and honestly this was not a whole lot of hard work. So everything is put back. It doesn't even look like we had anything here. I guess Dash is checking things out. But yeah, it'll be ready to go again in the spring. Hope y'all come back.